Tokyo Paralympics high jump live updates, the bar falls again. Mariyappan Thangavelu doesn't clear the 1.88 m height in his third and final attempt as well. Now if Sam Grew clears, he will take the gold. Tokyo Paralympics high jump live updates, Sam Grew has cleared 1.88 m in the final attempt. Grew takes the gold. Silver for Mariyappan Thangavelu. It was a double delight for India in the high jump T63 event as stars Mariyappan Thangavelu and Sharad Kumar won the silver and bronze medal, respectively, in the final of the event at the ongoing Tokyo Paralympics. While Sharad finished third with his season-best effort of 1.83 m, Thangavelu grabbed second place on the podium with his best effort of 1.86 m. Their compatriot Varun Bhati, who has a personal best of 1.86 m, finished 7th with his best jump of 1.77 m. Top para high jumper Mariyappan Thangavelu on Tuesday clinches silver to add another medal to India's count at the 2020 Tokyo Paralympics. Thangavelu was defending the T42 gold he had won in 2016 Rio Paralympics during 24th August to 5th September showpiece in Tokyo. Thangavelu had won the Rio Paralympics T42 high jump gold by clearing 1.89 m, but failed to clear the 1.86 m mark. Related stories: Devendra Jhajria, 2020 Tokyo Paralympics. Not done yet. Jhajria wants to hit boundary at 2024 Paris. Sumeet Antil, Paralympics. I had shut myself out after losing leg, recalls Sumeet Antil. Singraj Adhana, 2021 Tokyo Paralympics. On way to Paralympic success, Singraj Adhana built range at home, repaired its layout. Revnex. Both Sharad and Mariyappan cleared 1.73 m and 1.77 m in their first attempts. Varun Bhati also managed to clear the heights, but was unable to cross the 1.80 m mark. Sharad and Mariyappan further went on to clear 1.80 m and 1.83 m in first attempts. The 1.86 mark was conquered by Mariyappan in his third attempt to strike gold. Sharad finished third after failing to cross the 1.86 m mark. Varun, who bagged the bronze in the 2016 Rio Games, eventually fell out of contention for the medal after failing to cross the 1.80 m mark. Thangavelu, who hails from Salem district in Tamil Nadu, suffered the permanent disability at the age of 5 when a bus crushed his right leg below the knee. He had to work as a newspaper hawker to support his family and sustain his sporting dreams when he started his career. The 25-year-old Thangavelu was also conferred with the Khel Ratna, the country's highest sporting award, last year. In T42 category, the athletes have one or more impairment types affecting hip and or knee function in one or both limbs and with activity limitations in throws, jumps and running competing without prosthesis.